Need a reliable plumbing team for your home upgrades or repairs? Welcome to Taleza Plumbing, proudly serving Sacramento, California with professional plumbing services. With 20 years of experience, we deliver dependable solutions, quality workmanship, and results built for long-term performance. Our services include water heater, water repiping, gas pipe repairs, sewer line repair, addition. Call us today at 916-490-7700 or visit fourtalesofplumbingca.com to schedule your service. Keep your home running smoothly. Contact us today and get expert plumbing you can trust.